Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail app as you see and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store to fix your problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.